Right, you heard that? Okay, people, you've heard that bleep a couple of times now. Sorry, welcome to Tradespeople's Tip. We have this smoke alarm. Now, you've heard it bleep a couple of times. We don't know why it's bleeping, but because you can see the chunk in there and it goes back to the main supply, we're going to take it for granted that it works off the main, so we're not going to fast with it. What we're going to first try and do is reset it with this button here. So I can't do that with one hand, or can I? Hold on. Because I'm at the top of this chair, I don't want to drop off. Right, we press it, it's all gone crazy and it's stopped. Right, now let's see. It normally takes about a minute and a half before it comes back on. So we're gonna keep an eye on it for about 2 minutes and see what happens. I don't know how long that's been. Well, it ain't gone off yet. I should have timed it, shouldn't I? And I'm looking at the clock running away in front of me. That didn't cure it. Here it goes, it went off again. So this time we're gonna press and hold it for a little bit longer. We're gonna hold it for till it goes crazy and stop. Okay, here we go. And let go. See what happens now. That didn't help. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to the next one and try and reset it from that one. So here's the next one. There. So if we press on that one and hold it. Alright. See what happens now. And as you can hear, it's not working. This one has got no cables to it, so we're gonna try and open this one and then see what's going on inside there. We don't know, maybe the electrics is just for the lighting. We don't know. We're gonna open it and see what's inside there. That's how I am fast. So say you're killing yourself, I try to kill myself first. Here it is. I've taken it to bits, because you know me. That's not the one that's buzzing, but because this one is easier to reach, I decided to take this one apart first. And as you can see, it does have a battery in it. Yeah, so it's the same thing, and there must be the main side of things. Now, to get this thing off, it says you got to push a screwdriver between there. Alright, now when you push your screwdriver in, let me just try and get that. And get my screwdriver. Yeah, here's your screwdriver, and it's on there, and that's a gap. You put your screwdriver right back inside of there. Nothing happens there. So let's have a look at the top. This is what you're pushing against. So when you push your screwdriver in, all you're doing is pressing against there. So you push your screwdriver through the hole there, and you see what happens? Yeah, that piece goes up and down. So when you press it right through, it releases it. Yeah, your electrical bits are on the side there somewhere. Let me go down and see if I can show you these bits, because it's very important. Right, your electrical connectors are on there. So your cover slides in that direction when you put it on. Right. So if I get it back here, and I show you, there it is. There's your electrical connectors. So you'd line those up with that area there. So you put it, line it up, put it like that, slide it that way. Yeah? Now I can't do it one, and I've got to, or can I? Or can I? You know me. Come across it, yeah? Put it there. Slide it. As you can see, that's fixed back in. The light is on, but it don't look level up there, so it's not right. So slide it back off, make sure it sits down square, and you hear it clicking. Lights on, everything's good. So now that we know, the one upstairs is a bit harder to reach, because it's right up there. So we're gonna get that down. But we won't be videoing that because we ain't falling off no ladder. Okay, there it is. We've taken it down, and same as before, it's got a battery in it. So what we've done, or what I'm doing, is I'm gonna time it. Right, it's at 47, 48, 49, 50. So 50, nice round number. You tell your life not easy. Oh, Father. Right, it beeped then, but it sounded like the beep is coming from the ceiling. Alright, so I'm gonna plug off the battery anyway, because we got it down. But the beeping still sounds like it's coming from above my head. More than one way to skin a cat, remember that. Right, I need 2 hands to disconnect this battery because as you can see it's coming like it wants to be drama in my life. The battery, there, plugs on there, so you just pop it off. Hold that. Right. Positive, that's the cross, negative is on the other side. Let's pull it off like that. This battery I think it just died. Yeah, okay, anyway, taking off our battery and you can hear it like it's going down. So this battery is a new one. You see this little cap here? That's just a cover. So pull that off, and there you can see you got the same here as you have here. So what they do, they go opposite way. So you wouldn't connect that to there. It wouldn't work, but it will work that way. Yeah? You get that? Press it on there. Make sure it's connected on both sides. Put your battery back in, whichever way it sits best. There you go. Now, you leave it hanging about for another couple of minutes, just to make sure it works before you put it back up. So, on that note, I'm gonna sit it down there and give it a bit of time. You hear it tick-ticking? Probably trying to reset itself. Or is it still dying? I don't know. Alright, starting from 4 minutes now, we're gonna time it properly. So if we give it 2 minutes, then we know that's long enough. I'm gonna sit here and hold it on here, and then I'm gonna fast forward it. No, I'm not. I'm gonna stop it and then come back. No, because if it goes off, I'm gonna miss it. See, this is how I talk to myself all the time. Not that I'm losing the plot, but I'm working it out. Anyway, shall I whistle? You people must think I am crazy, but I'm not. That's 1 minute gone, 1 minute and 7 seconds. Minute and a half is gone. Alright, that's 2 minutes gone. So I'm pretty confident that it was our battery. Yep, now I am intrigued to open this up, but there's no reason to open it up and it's not mine, so I'm not gonna open it up. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now it appears to have stopped bleeping. It's been going on now 3 minutes since I took it down. So I'm gonna put it back up now, so I'm pretty confident that it was the battery and we've resolved our issue. So here we go. As I said before, slides on from that direction. So I need 2 hands to do this, I think. Okay, right. Make sure your battery is sitting flush. Yeah, you can see it's springing about a bit, but that's not a biggie. That's all it is. Well, we have no beep. So, well done. Okay, people. Until next time. See you later. I wonder if my hat set good over there. Okay, video. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. All together, all working fine. So that's how we rectify our bleeping.